Alright, so it is officially time to change the oil on our Grand Design Momentum's toy hauler generator that came with it, 5500. I'm gonna do it myself. If a girl can do it, anybody can do it, right? Let's do it. You're gonna wanna run your generator for 2 or 3 minutes to warm the oil up first. Alright, so now we're warm enough. We bought our oil service kit off of Amazon, so it came with everything we needed. Yeah. It's filled pretty much almost to the top, because you can kind of see down here versus up there. This little guy, you're gonna turn. I officially got the oil drained and the oil filter off. Now for putting it all back, except clean.
All right, so this is going to be the oil filter that came in our kit, but if you're not buying the kit, it's number 122-0836. Also, make sure you oil that black seal. The last person who changed your oil on your generator, if they used a tool, you're going to have to use a tool, but if they only did it hand tight, you will be able to loosen it by hand. I was able to loosen this by hand. Since I've already got this next one ready, I'm going to put it up in there. Since I had a little bit of oil on the outside, I decided to take a rag so that way I could clean it off, but also screw it in the rest of the way.
So you're going to want to make sure you have this closed back before you start doing anything with the oil. Now, it's up here, right? But if you're having a hard time finding where it connects, you can see through the camper, so it makes it easier. I was having a hard time trying to get it up here, but then when I realized it, I could see through here, it made it a whole lot easier. All right, so we got everything put back. Now time to put the oil back in. Now time for the second one. As I'm standing here in the middle of nowhere changing the oil on this generator, check this out. So it's looking really full, but my problem with that is there's still a little bit left in here, and so it said 2. So I'm gonna start it for a few minutes, see if it warms it up, and see if it takes more then. I'm gonna close it back up real quick. A little shaky, I see. Let's see. Yep, there's a little more room. There's more room now. I'm still having to pour a little bit at a time though, so it's got this really massive tilt on it, but it makes it easy so you don't have to use a funnel. That's it, y'all. If I can do it, and I've never done it before, but I watched a YouTube video on how to do it, you can do it too. Good luck out there, y'all.